Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Women Gupshup. Of all the roles we play in our lives, for women, the most important role we play is of mother. Motherhood is the best thing that can happen to a woman. And you know, if I talk about various experiences that I have seen, I have people have other ladies have shared with me or what I have shared with them. I know of one thing, that this is the they say that you take a naya janam, you know, it's like that. So, because it's a complete rebirth, you go through a mixed emotion process and you feel so many emotions at one time. So it becomes overwhelming sometimes. But yes, but we all know that, that is the best thing that can happen to us. So today I wanted to talk about some things, but I really feel happy that I have come across so many women. I have seen them, that for them, their marriage, motherhood, it's a part of their life, their whole existence. It's not their whole life. I know, as a mother, we always say that, uh, yeah, the child is my complete world. Yes, he or she is. But I really want to emphasize on one thing, that please do take care of health also, of your health. And when you are happy, then only child can be happy, your family can be happy. And so we tend to forget sometimes our own health, our own priorities, you know. So this is one thing I wanted to talk about. And if I talk about that vacuum which we feel till we get the baby, and we are always like, I want to reach out to those women, who feel that, once we will get the baby, our a vacuum will be filled. I just want to tell one thing: please don't let that vacuum hold that baby is, that will extend your, that he should or she should extend your personality. He should not be like that. We always wait for some vacuum to be filled, and that child will bring happiness. And in this process, what happens that we set all the expectations on the child only, that he will or she will bring the happiness, and she will do this, and then we will. So I think that, if we do little introspection, we will get to know that our happiness is the most important thing. And our sometimes we tend to forget our health also. And just wanted to throw a light on this topic, that if you are healthy in mind and in body, then that child will also be happy and healthy. So please don't neglect your health. I see women around, they ignore their health, and they're always worried, oh, the baby will come, we will do this, oh baby, oh, when we will become mother, when we'll become mother. So all these things, this pressure should not bog you down. Because personally I know this pressure. I have seen these pressures. And sometimes we become so depressed, and that should not be the case. We should live our life in a complete manner. It should not be a vacuum filled thing, that that someday our vacuum will be filled. It should not be like that. So that is one thing which I wanted to talk about. And also, if when we are completely ready, we know that you mentally, financially, physically, we are fit, we will be able to uh, uh, you know give a right kind of environment to the baby. Then only, we should approach towards it. Because there are, I have seen, sometimes we are not mentally prepared, and and things, again, they go for a toss, and we are always in a situation where we don't know, we say that it's a mess now, we don't know how to deal with all this, what has happened. And I understand that postpartum depression is a condition which we can't say that it's a it just happens like that. I know it's a serious condition, and there are medicines for that also. And I'm sure that everyone wants to be happy, no one wants to be depressed. But I feel really that you should we all women should focus on our health, our physical and mental health. That is the topmost, that should be the topmost priority. And if that is there, then we can be a great and happy mother. And a happy mother you know upbrings a happy child and a right kind of environment. So that's it for today. And I just thought, I just wanted to know what you feel, what pressures you people, what you saw, and how can we help each other. If you have something to say, or if you feel that you want to share something, please do comment, and we'll talk about it. And please do like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Ciao.